Hi guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I'm so excited to get April's LD Luxury Divas accessory box. Do you want to see what's inside April's box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so again, I received April's 2019 Luxury Divas box. I did watch Abadabs post hers this morning, and this came in the mail today. She got a few cool like teal items, and I really hope I have them in here because I love teal. That is my favorite color. If you don't know, now you know. So let's go ahead and dive in here. They do ship this in a mailer bag. I opened the mailer bag, but I haven't opened this. It's not sealed, but I haven't got in here yet because I want to do it with you guys. Now, I do need to tell you guys that Luxury Divas did raise their price. Yeah, they did raise their price $5 a month. They were doing, if the subscription was $25 or $30 for a non-subscription, now it's $30 for a subscription and $35 for a non-subscription. I still think it's a really good price based on what they send you for $30, and it's free shipping. I do have a code, which is Crafty, what? Hold on. I think it's SheCrafty 5 or Crafty 5. They changed it. My new code now is Crafty 5. That's what I was thinking it was. So you can follow the link down below, enter Crafty 5, and you can get $5 off. So that would make, if you do the subscription, that would make your first box $25. Or if you just want to do the one time to try them out, that would make that $30 instead of $35. So follow the link, Crafty 5. $5 off. They did raise it because of shipping fees, and I do know 100% that shipping fees did go up. I used to be able to mail like a priority envelope for like $5, $6. Now I'm mailing that same envelope for $8, $9. So I know from just a standard envelope, and they mail this is a big box, and they do quick shipping. So I feel like it is still worth it for the $30 with the subscription with free shipping, just because I know offhand. I know that shipping did raise, and shipping is expensive. So here's this inside, and let's see here. We got a little, looks like a tin of mint, is it? Yeah. So here is a mint with their logo on top. That is awesome. Thank you so much. We love our subscribers. Leave a review. That's cool. Then LD Box Insider. They always give you this little pamphlet with what is like the new spring stuff, so you can check out. They do have a lot of things you can purchase directly through their website if you don't want to do the subscription box. But let's go ahead and see what is in here, shall we? Oh, I don't have Nikki anymore. I have a different curator for this box. This is Marina. So I got this gorgeous girl right here that did my box for me. And it says, hello Tracy, the April box is here. Mix and match for that classic and traditional look all of us gals want. Easy and effortless style right in the palm of your hands. Enjoy and style on. Love Marina, Luxury Divas. They still are doing their personalized handwritten cards, and I really do love that they do that. And then they go over the items, and this shows that my box is going to be a retail value of $135, and it goes over all of the different items and what the value is. So, and I do see, I think I almost pretty much got almost everything that she got. So, hey, I already know what I'm getting then. And I'm loving this right here. So this is a 3-set. Let me cut this over here. Let me get this off here. This guy right here is a turquoise stone beaded 3-layer bracelet. This is valued at $23. And that's one thing they got, you guys, they don't overinflate their prices. They're spot on to their pricing, and they're really good. So here are the 3 different bracelets. This one has a little dangly, oh, it's a tree on both sides. And so this one has some little things, and they're all different. But oh, that would have been nice if it actually looked like the picture. The picture has like that on that one, and I don't have that on these. That would have been cool if it looked like that. But I'm not gonna knock this turquoise teal color because this is my favorite color. Okay, so this says the tree of life represents our past, present, and future in family, love, and life. Warmly embrace this thought each time you wear these beautiful stacked bracelets. So there they are again. Yay, that's so cool. Okay, I'm loving that. And I got the same color she got, and I was hoping, because this is my, wait, this one's a little different than hers. Yeah, this one's a little different, but I'm loving this because these are my colors. Yay! This is a wispy fringed infinity scarf. Oh, cool, so it's an infinity scarf. And it is like 100 degrees today in Florida, but I'm still gonna put this on for you guys. So, infinity, little wispies. Whew. All right, so let's see here. This is valued at $19. Whew. It's got a lot of wispy things flying around. Okay, so there is that. That is gorgeous, and that is my color for sure. Thank you so much for getting my color right in 2 different items. So there is an infinity wispy fringe scarf. Now we have an umbrella, and I have tons of umbrellas, so I'm not sure if I'll put this in a giveaway or what I'll do with this, but it is a leopard printed umbrella. And this is an animal print purse umbrella. We know accessorizing doesn't stop with clothing and jewelry. Jewelry, you guys. Jewelry. Worry not. Worry not. We've got you covered with this purse-size animal printed umbrella. Tip: this umbrella is perfect for travel and commuting. It's small enough to throw in your bag and save you in a pinch. This could have came in, oh, and this was available in turquoise, ivory, or black. This was available in pink, navy, or mint, and I'm so glad I got mint. And this was available in animal print, black, pink, or red, and I got the animal print. So again, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this guy, but it's an umbrella. I have tons of them here in Florida because it rains all the dang time. That's valued at $12. Next we have is a wallet. This is a long plaid wristlet wallet. Freshen up your handbag with this new wallet, and it also doubles as a wristlet. Plenty of credit card slots and a zipper closure to keep everything in place. It even fits your smartphone. Yeah, that's handy. This is valued at $34. $34. So there's the inside. Ooh, you got big pockets, and then credit card things, and the little zipper to keep your coins in. And it zips up. Can you take this off if you wanted? Yes, if you didn't want this on here, you could just simply remove the wristlet if you didn't want this thing hanging on there. So it could double up. You could just use it as a regular wallet if you wanted to take that off. So there's that guy. And again, this values for $34. I love how this makes noise. Okay, so then next, move the wallet off my paper. This right here is a bronzer blush highlighting strobing kit. And if you guys follow me, you know I don't do blush or bronzing. So I will go ahead and set this aside and put it into a future giveaway for one of you guys to enjoy. But let's see what it looks like. This is in a little tin. This is valued at $20. And inside looks like, let me get the glare off for you. Oh, it's kind of, oh, it came off. That's what it looks like right there. So again, that will go to a future giveaway for one of you guys, because I don't use this type of product. But that's really cool that they add makeup in here as well, you guys. So they kind of give you a lot of different cool things. And in the back, it shows you step 1, step 2, step 3. And again, that's valued at $20. Last item we have in here is the clothing item. This is a shirt. It looks like it's way too short of sleeves, so I'm probably not going to wear this. I'll probably donate it to a women's shelter, I guess, because I don't know. And let's see, and it's a smaller size. I did change my profile to go up a size to think, you know, they might fit me a little bit better, but this is not my updated profile size, so probably won't fit me anyway. But there is the shirt. It has little tie things on the bottom. The back looks like it's longer than the front, and then it is like this black and white, and it has like a V-neck top. So this guy right here is black and white plus high-low top. This top features everything a girl needs. Side slits for a flowy look, a flattering high-low design, as well as a sexy V-neck with the course, and of course, figure flattering vertical stripes. What does this mean? No matter what you wear this top with, you will look fabulous. So again, I don't know if this is going to fit me or not, but I can already tell that the sleeves are definitely too low, and it looks like I'm a big girl. I don't like shirts short at all. So that might go into a future donation pile or something in the future. I don't know. So again, everything in here is valued at $135 total. And now the cost with the subscription would be $30. So what do you guys think? Do you think it's worth it? I mean, we got a clothing item, we got a shirt, which is normally $27. We got the umbrella, which is normally $12. The bronzing, blushing, strobing highlighting kit for $20. We got this, which I love this, valued at $19. This, which I'm really loving this, valued at $23. And then there is a wallet valued at $34. So basically in here, I'm definitely going to be using this and this. So that is 20, 30, 42. $42 is definitely in 2 items that I'm keeping. So I still think definitely it is worth it. I need to check back on my profile and see why I got a different size shirt, but I'll try it on first and see if it fits. If it does, I'll drop in a picture. If I don't drop in a picture right here, then you know it didn't fit. Because I always try on my shirts and my clothing and stuff for you guys when it fits. So that is everything that is in here. Comment down below, let me know. Do you think they knocked it out of the park again? This is now my 3rd box. I did buy a 6-month subscription, so I have 3 more boxes coming. So hopefully in the next few that come, they're more like summer wise. So maybe we won't get scarves anymore, because it is, like I said, it is like almost 100 degrees here in Florida. I definitely do not need any scarves here, but I'm not gonna knock that color to use as just to make it, I don't know, in the winter, when it does kind of get a little cool, I can use this to just make my outfit look good, not to like stay warm, because I don't need to stay warm. I always run hot. So that is everything that is in this box. Again, let me know what you thought. I have a new curator. It's not Nikki. Nikki did my first 2 boxes. This month was Marina. So that is all that I have for you guys. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And yeah, so until next time, keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.